Credit cards are a ubiquitous part of modern life, used by millions worldwide. From tap-to-pay terminals to online payments, they're everywhere. But have you ever stopped to think about how credit card companies make money? It's a complex system, involving multiple players and revenue streams. Let's start with the basics: interchange fees, paid by merchants to banks. These fees can range from 1 to 3% of the transaction amount, depending on the card. Merchants factor these fees into their pricing, passing the cost on to consumers. Rewards programs are another key aspect of the credit card business model. By offering rewards, credit card companies incentivize consumers to use their cards. This drives transaction volume, generating more interchange fees for banks. Interest income is another significant revenue stream for credit card companies. When consumers don't pay their balances in full, they're charged interest on their outstanding debt. This can be a lucrative source of income, especially for consumers with high balances. Credit card companies also make money from annual fees, late fees, and foreign transaction fees. These fees can add up quickly, making credit cards a significant source of revenue. Consumer behavior plays a crucial role in the credit card business model. By understanding consumer spending habits and preferences, credit card companies can tailor their products. This might involve offering specific rewards or benefits, such as travel insurance or purchase protection. Data analytics is key to understanding consumer behavior, with companies using sophisticated algorithms. These algorithms help identify trends and patterns, informing product development and marketing strategies. Startups are also playing a major role in the credit card industry, with new companies emerging all the time. These startups often focus on specific niches, such as digital payments or credit scoring. By leveraging technology and data analytics, these startups can offer innovative solutions. Traditional banks are also investing heavily in digital payments, recognizing the need to adapt. This might involve partnering with fintech companies or developing their own digital payment platforms. The credit card industry is highly competitive, with multiple players vying for market share. Companies like Visa and MasterCard dominate the market, but new entrants are emerging. These new entrants often focus on specific regions or demographics, such as emerging markets. Regulatory environments also play a crucial role in the credit card industry. Governments and regulatory bodies set rules and guidelines, shaping the industry's development. Security is another critical aspect of the credit card industry, with companies investing heavily in fraud prevention. This might involve using AI-powered algorithms to detect suspicious transactions. By understanding the business behind credit cards, we can better navigate the complex world of personal finance. Armed with this knowledge, we can make more informed decisions about our financial lives. Whether you're a consumer, entrepreneur, or simply curious about the credit card industry, there's much to learn. The business behind credit cards is fascinating, with many nuances and complexities. By exploring this topic in depth, we can gain a deeper understanding of the financial systems that shape our lives. Credit cards are just one part of the broader financial ecosystem, but they play a significant role. By recognizing the intricacies of the credit card business model, we can better appreciate the complexities of modern finance. The intersection of technology, data analytics, and consumer behavior is driving innovation in the Empowered with this knowledge, you can make more informed decisions and take control of your financial future. The business behind credit cards is a complex, multifaceted topic, but by exploring it in depth, we can gain valuable insights. These insights can help us navigate the world of personal finance with confidence and clarity. By recognizing the opportunities and challenges presented by credit cards, we can make more informed choices. Ultimately, the business behind credit cards is a story of innovation, adaptation, and the relentless pursuit of progress. By understanding this story, we can better appreciate the intricacies of modern finance and our place within it. The credit card industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies and innovations emerging all the time. By staying informed and up to date, we can harness the power of credit cards to improve our financial lives. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or simply looking to optimize your personal finances, the business behind credit cards is a fascinating topic. By exploring this topic in depth, we can gain a deeper understanding of the financial systems that shape our lives. The intersection of technology, data analytics, and consumer behavior is driving innovation in the credit card industry, and it's essential to stay informed. Armed with this knowledge, we can make more informed decisions and take control of our financial future. The business behind credit cards is a complex, multifaceted topic, but by exploring it in depth, we can gain valuable insights and improve our financial lives. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.